The police in St. Catherine South say some communities may not be allowed to host entertainment events even after all the restrictions on that sector are removed. Krista Campbell explains.
Friday night traffic was surprisingly low in Portmore St. Catherine on the first day of the removal of curfews which were implemented to curb the spread of COVID-19 across the island. And although entertainment events are not being given the full green light just yet, Mayor Leon Thomas said the applications have been rolling in, 12 on Friday alone. Now he stressed that no event has been approved for this weekend, but he still expected a crowd at some places.
Some of the entertainment spots that we have across the municipality, I know that you'll be having a lot of people turning out because, Jamaican and all, they like to party.
Now, applications for events must first pass the police's hands, who inspect the proposed venues and take their recommendations to the municipal corporation for approval. But with a spike in violent crimes, especially shootings at several illegally held events during the pandemic, the police say they're keeping close watch.
It would be irresponsible of us as the police not to be monitoring some of these areas in the St. Catherine South Division where we allow events to take place. Given the high levels of crime and violence that we have experienced even last year into this year, there are some areas that as a police, we are not going to allow events in those areas.
Hellshaw, Southborough and sections of Central Village are among the communities being flagged for entertainment events, as well as
the Gregory Park area and its environs, the Waterford, Nagozed, Reedspen, Tanner Lane, all roads leading off Newlands. And even the Old Harbour Bay will take those on a case-by-case basis. Central Village, except like the Polo Club and Golf Club area, we are paying attention to those areas.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.